way to Tustin, Lexus.
Getting directions to Tustin, Lexus.
That's the Indian again. Pretty good, man. Sick looking rig.
Oh, thank you.
Matching tees.
Yeah, matching tees. Kind of amazing. Just like you did something loose with.
Yeah.
Went to the track recently?
Yeah, a couple of months ago, destroyed my front lip.
Oh, man.
Got a new one, so it's been pretty good. These are my street wheels, so I have a set of Advans at home, which is my track setup. So
No way. You got an Advan on my GT32. Oh, pretty good.
it was the same wheels and everything.
Yeah.
Wait for our spring to hit here, so about another month, back to track.
Right on. Oh, how exciting. Well, how's the S-Connect CarPlay Retrofit kit doing?
Oh, it's amazing, dude. Now, the last time you upgraded it, I just turn on the car, connects right away.
Nice.
Zero issues. Music started playing before the screen starts loading up. Doesn't disconnect. Sound quality is still great.
Oh,
no wires.
solid.
Flawless. Zero issues whatsoever.
Man, I like that. Yeah.
Very happy with it.
The thing about our product, we make sure it's glitch-free.
Yeah.
For all the customers, like, it could be a bit frustrating using a system, and you know, you disconnect, you get all these sort of issues.
Yeah.
Especially if you're in the middle of going to a destination.
Yeah, they'll cut out.
Yeah, cut out. You know, like,
No, it's been perfect. And then for anyone that's interested in my car, it's a track car, so it's stiff, it's bouncy, and using that, yeah, it's always hot and running. So all electronics, the whole car is always warmed up and hot, and it's always bouncing, flipping around. Not one single issue the whole time.
Nice. Awesome.
Zero issues.
Awesome.
What's up, guys? This is Eric from B-Side. Today I'm here at a Lexus dealership in Southern California to let you guys know that our S-Connect interface is available to be sold throughout the Lexus dealership network across the US with dealer warranty. And what S-Connect interface is a plug-and-play interface which allows you to use CarPlay and Android Auto to your older Lexus models from 2013 all the way to 2021, covering all the trims and models, whether it has navigation or not. That includes this Lexus GX here, Lexus GS, also Lexus RX, NX, ES, RC, and IS, and CT. We cover all the models. We're also here today to meet our good friend Evan from the service department and just get his input on how he likes it. He's been using it for a few years now. And so we'll get a first-hand experience and review from the functions he liked and how it served him within the last few years of him owning it. All right, so let's go in the car, let's go check it out, and let's see how Evan uses his S-Connect interface.
Seamlessly. It works seamlessly. I love it. The update you did changed my world.
All right, Evan, so what are some functions that you like about this kit?
Super easy to use. You hold down the map button, it comes up within 1 second. I use Waze a lot, so there's zero lag. Music, even phone, everything comes up. All my texts, voicemails. I have no issues, and as you can see, everything switches over kind of like butter. You know,
How about the mouse control? Have you gotten used to it?
Yeah, the mouse control is very responsive. But no, the mouse controls are pretty easy to use. I have zero issues. Settings, music, and just switching throughout everything.
Nice.
And
how's the audio quality?
Oh, the audio quality is amazing. I have it connected to music right now. And
nice. And it looks like you have the Mark Levinson model too.
Oh yeah, it works perfectly well with the Mark Levinson. No issues there. The bass hits hard, and I can't complain.
Nice.
Yeah, I can't complain at all.
And how about all your factory controls? Is there any complaints or any issues or anything that you encountered?
No, zero issues. So what I like the most is there's no issues with my steering wheel being used. And keep in mind, this is an aftermarket steering wheel too, and it still works. I can change music without any issues. Volume down and volume up. I can change music very easily with the touch of the button. Didn't lose any of my OEM functions. Going back, and then I can can turn the volume down or turn the volume up. Should straighten out the steering wheel.
What exhaust is that?
Tom's.
I got a Tom.
Tom's racing exhaust with the Pepsi mid pipe.
Oh.
Alright, so the Beats Sonic system loads up very quickly. Once the caution screen is done, you just hold the map button, connects right away. You don't have to configure anything, you don't have to pair anything. It's very seamless. So hold the map button and I'm already in.
Wow,
No
there's
issues
like
there.
no waiting time.
Zero wait time. Music's on. Let me turn it down. Reverse camera still works. Right there. Zero issues. And it goes back just like that.
Wow. Looks just like factory.
It's just like factory.
Yeah. What's the weather?
It's currently cloudy and 57 degrees. Expect clear skies starting tonight. Temperatures are heading down.
And on this vehicle, this is a Lexus GSF. This GSF doesn't have a 360 bird's eye view camera, but for some models with bird's eye view camera, like the Lexus RX models or the Lexus LX and some of the Lexus GX models, it also retains all those as well, and it'll just work just like factory. And if you have those special functions where if you come into the parking lot speed, you're slowing down your car, the 360 camera turns on automatically, that will also continue to work as well. Hey, thanks so much for showing us how everything works, how you're enjoying our kit. It makes us really happy to just see, especially coming from someone who works at Lexus, to be enjoying our kit so much.
Yeah, I love the system. It's seamless. I've been using it for 4 years and I got zero complaints.
Awesome. All right, guys, so we just finished going through all the functions of our S-Connect interface with our good friend Evan. As you can see, you are able to retain all your factory controls. It fills up the whole screen. The resolution looks great. All the factory buttons continues to function. Your backup camera continues to function as well. And if you have a 360 camera, all those functions are all retained. You do not lose any of the factory functions using our kit. Everything works just like factory. You won't even know there's an aftermarket part in there once you have it all installed, because everything just works so seamlessly. And on top of that, it works really, really fast. It only takes about 5 seconds for a device to connect to your phone. Wirelessly, it's faster than the time it takes for the infotainment system to load up. And once again, our S-Connect interface is approved by Lexus Corporate to be available at all the Lexus USA dealerships. And if you're near us or would like us to come and make a visit, we are very, very happy to do so. Teach your techs how to install it and go over some marketing tools, and we could discuss about how we can get more customers to purchase our kit and get it installed at your dealership. And if you are a 12-volt installer, not a Lexus dealership, we are very, very happy to do the same. Go to your shop, create some content, do some marketing together. We could help you create some marketing tools and teach you how to install our device. And then if you're a DIY guy, like many of you guys, you can also purchase it directly from bsonicusa.com. Follow our very detailed video tutorial and our written instructions. And if you have any questions or need any help, we are only an email away and we will respond to you very quickly and be able to provide you the A-class customer service and to help you in everything you need during our product experience. And lastly, we would like to thank Evan from the service department in Lexus for having us here, bringing his beautiful GSF out just for us and helping us demonstrate our S-Connect interface. And for all you other viewers, if you haven't yet, help us by liking and subscribing to our channel. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below or you can email us at info@bsonicusa.com. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.